All right, you've made it to week 6 of cycle 2. Today we are studying Mercury and Venus. And the first one, number 3, cover up, is referring to Mercury. And the question is, why does Mercury not ever cause a solar eclipse? For research, background information, I think it would be very pertinent to have a picture of the sun and the planets, again in a book, or you can print out a picture, so they have an idea of where the sun is, Mercury, Venus, and Earth, where we are in regards to the sun. Then talk about an eclipse. What is an eclipse? Did anyone see that huge solar eclipse a year or two ago? Did you buy those cool things that protected your eyes during the solar eclipse? Talk about what it is. Talk about how the moon blocked the light, and that's where it got dark for 4 minutes. So if Mercury is between us and the sun, why does it never cause a full eclipse? I'm going to demonstrate that for you for just a second so you can see that. I'm going to talk about number 4 also, and then I'm going to show you both. 4 is thick. It is looking at the planet of Venus. So we have Mercury and then we have Venus. And when you look at Venus, why is it difficult to see through the atmosphere of Venus? What is special about the atmosphere? For research or background information, again, you're going to want to talk about what is atmosphere. What is Venus? Where is Venus? Show them your picture again. Give them some reference. Show them some pictures. And see some background information, then hypotheses on both of those. Why do they think it's hard to see through the atmosphere of Venus? What makes it hard to see things in everyday life? And that might help them think about it. So for this, we're going to use, for both of these experiments, even though one of them calls for a flashlight, we're going to use our lamp desk for our desk lamp for both of them. And if you have a desk lamp, I will need you to bring it in this week. I have a couple that'll work, but if we don't have to share, if you have one, then you can stick it in your cart, and that'll make that easy for your science time. All right, come with me here. I'm going to rotate you here. For cover up, you're going to turn your light on, turn 2 yards, or excuse me, step 2 yards back. You're going to close your right eye and put your thumb up. There's my thumb. So the light is the sun. My thumb is representing Mercury. So there it is rotating. As my thumb gets closer, more and more of the sun disappears. As it gets closer to the light, then it only covers up a part of the light. And that is why Mercury, which is very close to the sun, only covers up part of the sun and will never cause a full solar eclipse because it's closer to the sun than to us. The second one, thick, is talking about Venus. And again, you have your light. You step back 2 yards. You simply look at the light, which would be the sun. Oh, it's very bright. And then this is what Venus looks like. Hold up your piece of wax paper, and you can see that it's blurry, and that's because the atmosphere around Venus is very thick of clouds and dust, and the light from the sun reflects through all of that and is dispersed, causing a more cloudy appearance. Then you can talk about those results and answer any questions in regards to that. Each of these, again, will have one light. I would take turns with kids in a line, get them each to do a turn, and go from there. All right, thanks. Bye.